Hello, we are from Group 4 and we will presenting about virtual machine in Windows 10. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Surya Bagaskara and two others friends. The first is Ovi Permatasari and the second is Dipail Atanhidayat. We start some topic we will discuss. The first is operating system, the second is virtual machine in Windows 10. Third is function of virtual machine. Fourth, how virtual machine working, five type of virtual machine, and the last is comparison of the use of virtualization with its original use. Operating system. The operating system often handles all the software that is inside the package with the computer system before the software application are installed. An operating system is a system software that performs hardware control and management as well as basic system operation, including running applications software such as Word, processing programs, and web browsers. In general, the operating system is the software in the first layer that is placed in the computer memory when the computer boots. Meanwhile, other software is run after the operating system is running, and the operating system will perform the core services for the software. These core services include disk access, memory management, scheduling of the scheduled tasks, and the GUI or CLI user interface.
Virtual machine in Windows 10. Virtual machines are software that can create virtual computers with virtual OS and virtual hardware. You can install other OS on an existing OS system such as Windows without dual booting. Virtual machines allow you to have more than one operating system. You can also test software, run commands, and test software that is on specific OS without interfering with or affecting your actual operating system. Virtual machine run on physical computer where each task and resource allocation has been shared and spared from virtual machine one to another. Next is the function of virtual machine. If you want to test a new of as with a virtual machine, you can run other operating systems try on your computer. Not just trying a new operating system, the virtual machine also allows you to promote a different operating system. Say you are using Windows operating system now, then you can test Linux to experiment and get to know how it's working. And how virtual machine working? Virtualization in technology allows you to share your system with multiple virtual environments. When the virtual machine is running and the user or program uses instructions that require additional resources from the physical environment, the hypervisor schedule requests the physical system resources so that the operating system and virtual machine application can access and share a pool of physical resources. Physical machine equipped with a hypervisor such as kernel-based virtual machine, or better known as KVM. This is also commonly referred to as the host machine.
Type of virtual machine. 1. Virtual machineWare. Virtual machineWare is one of the virtualization software that can be used to create virtual machine. With this virtual machineWare, we can create a virtual machine that can run the operating system Windows or Linux on top of the operating system that already existed on our physical computer before. Virtual machineWare can be used to virtualize server, computer, and operating system as well as application. Here the URL to install virtual machineWare. 2. VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a virtualization software that supports all operating systems according to your need and desire. for VirtualBox is open source, where we can get it directly and easily by installing the software from the website directly. The following VirtualBox website may refer to the following URL. 3. Windows Virtual Personal Computer. Windows Virtual Personal Computer is a virtualization software derived from the Microsoft Windows operating system. This Windows Virtual Personal Computer can run almost any virtual operating system. Next slide. Comparison of the as of virtualization with its original as. Virtualization is the process of creating its virtual, not actually copy of something. Virtual in this case means creating something so similar to the original that it is almost indistinguishable between the two. This can be said to be almost the same. The difference lies only in speed. Virtual environment and universally software that hosts environment running on real platform or otherwise. But in virtualization, span is not the most important. The main goal in virtualization is to save money and increase flexibility. With virtualization, single user can ask virtualization to emulate hardware environment they cannot access, can run multiple operating systems on a single computer simultaneously.